Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into a budget-friendly laptop that's turning heads for all the right reasons. This is the Acer Aspire Go 15, a Windows 11 machine that promises a lot for its price tag. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about what makes this laptop stand out. At first glance, you might not expect much from a sub-$300 laptop, but the Aspire Go 15 surprises with its functionality and design. Design-wise, it's straightforward and functional. You won't find premium materials here, but the build is sturdy enough for daily use. The keyboard is surprisingly comfortable, with well-spaced keys that make typing a breeze, reminiscent of higher-end models. Moving on to connectivity, which is often a pain point with budget laptops. The Aspire Go 15 packs quite a punch with its port selection. 2 USB-A ports, 1 USB-C, HDMI out, and a headphone jack. This variety means you won't need adapters for basic peripherals, a definite plus for versatility. Now, let's address the display and performance. The 15.6-inch screen offers full HD resolution, which is decent for everyday tasks but lacks vibrancy compared to higher-end displays. As for performance, powered by an Intel Core i3 processor and 8GB of RAM, it handles basic productivity tasks well. However, don't expect it to breeze through intensive applications or gaming. Battery life is where the Aspire Go 15 pleasantly surprises. Our tests clocked it at over 10 hours, making it a reliable companion for a full day's work without needing a recharge. In terms of user experience, it's clear that Acer prioritized practicality over frills. The laptop isn't perfect, its 720p webcam leaves much to be desired, and its performance is adequate at best. But for its intended audience, students, casual users, or anyone on a tight budget, it ticks a lot of boxes. To sum it up, the Acer Aspire Go 15 isn't trying to compete with high-end machines. Instead, it delivers where it matters most: affordability, functionality, and reliability. If you're looking for a no-nonsense laptop that gets the job done without breaking the bank, this might just be your best bet. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews and tech insights. Until next time, stay tuned and stay tech-savvy.